Hello everybody, in today's video I'll teach you guys how to upload photo in Pinterest from mobile and desktop. So first I'm going to show you guys how to upload photo from mobile. After opening Pinterest, you can click on this button where it says saved. You can click on saved, and over here click on the plus button over here and click on create pin. Now over here you can select whichever photo you want to upload from your gallery. So let's suppose I want to upload this photo. I just click on the photo and click on the next button at the top. And you can give title to this photo as well. So let me give a title over here. So after giving it the title, you can click on the next button at the top and click on create board. And over here name the board whatever you want. Let's say I name the board, and now click on create. And boom, the photo has been uploaded to my board. Now if I click on this board over here, there should be one photo over here, as you guys can see. So that's basically how you upload photo from your phone. Now from your desktop, on your desktop, click on your profile picture, which is right over here, as you guys can see. Click on it. After going over here, you can click on the plus button over here and click on pin. And over here you can click on drag and upload, or click to upload button over here. Click on it. Now select a photo from your desktop. After selecting the photo, you can click on save button over here. But if you want to add title, you can add the title over here as well, but I don't want to, so I can click on save. It's gonna be saved to board, which I named board from my phone. You need to create a board to upload a photo on Pinterest, just remember that. Okay, now, and boom, I have uploaded photo from my desktop as well. So that's basically how you upload photo on Pinterest from desktop and your phone. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel, because we post content like this. And comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.